So long waited Android user switches to iPhone 15 Pro. This is the titanium. It's natural titanium. It's the 128 gigs. It's the base variant of the iPhone 15 Pro. I don't want to feel the larger size, so I went for the 6.1 inch. So I'm missing just the zoom lens, which is 5x. It's hard to compare with the iPhone 5s, which was my first phone, which has OMID, Touch ID, headphone jack, lightning port, huge bezels. It's a lot. Things have changed from iPhone 5s to the 15 Pro. 15 Pro comes with just the cable and the Apple sticker and some instructions. The 15 Pro natural titanium mostly looks like the beige. It's almost gray when the light hits or the light falls. It looks like the beige color toned down variant of the gold. It's the titanium feels very hefty in the hand. It's very good for the hand and field, and the lens are big, majorly sized, and type C is something different on the iPhone. It feels like weird, and it's me setuping the iPhone 15 Pro for the first time, and the animations on the iPhone 15 Pro feels like smoother than ever. When it comes to customizing the action button, it's then the UI is very often looks like not powered by the Apple settings. It's a weird feel. It looks very different to the other settings in the iPhone, and it's the home screen which is always normal. And let me try it out for a week or two, and I will give my opinions. Follow for the shorts.